Begin to just slow your breathing, just allowing your consciousness to ride the wave of your breath. Find a rhythm that's comfortable for you. See if you can fill your awareness with the breath you are taking right now. Begin to turn your attention inward. What do you find there? Maybe it's a hum of nervous activity. Now you know that one thing you can do is simply return to your breathing. Deep and slow. Notice how quickly your mind wants to move on. That noticing, the awareness of your awareness, is mindfulness. What that means is when you find yourself moving away from the simple moving breath that you're taking right now, just that noticing that you are somewhere else brings you back. Practice eternally returning to now. Let your breath fill the immensity of your awareness. You will notice any number of distractions. There will always be distractions. As soon as you have noticed your mind has wandered, smile inwardly, then return to the light and warmth of your awareness, to this breath. This is the practice. See if you can really feel and appreciate the stillness of this moment. Is there a sense of completeness or fullness? Is there a sense of love? And take a moment to really appreciate that right now. You are safe. It is safe for you to just be. Stay with your breath. And if there's anything you need to do to feel more comfortable, go ahead and do that. Staying with your breath, deep and slow, let's begin to be more specific about how we breathe. Breathing with the abdomen as you inhale, ribs opening up, and as you exhale, the belly button coming close to the spine, the stomach. perhaps even feeling the lower pelvic muscles contracting. Breathing in and out. Feeling the breath, maybe noticing some subtle changes just by being careful with where and how you breathe. And each time your attention wanders off, let there be some joy in returning. It feels so good to come back to the breath. In this moment, see if you are open to generating love in your heart. Let's start with love for the nearest person, which is you. You can gently repeat the following phrases, or just relax and feel them and let them wash over you. May you be well. May you be peaceful and at ease. May you be free from suffering. May you be happy. May you be well. May you be peaceful and at ease. May you be free of suffering. May you be happy. May all beings be well. May all beings be peaceful and at ease. May all beings be free from suffering. Notice if you feel differently than when you began. And know that this practice is always available to you. And when you're ready, you can begin to bring some movement back into your body and your awareness into your external world, bringing this deep sense of stillness with you.